Yo! That was a blast! Thank you guys to all of you na nag-support sa first episode ng aking YouTube channel. Sobrang overwhelmed lahat ng mga friends na nagme-message through my social media accounts. Super, super thank you guys. Really appreciate you all and it means a lot to me. Yeah, what do you think about it? And ano sa tingin niyo yung mga susunod kong content? I'm open for suggestions. Just ping me. Again, super thank you to all the support and love. Ayan, actually, I'm super shy in front of camera. Gusto ko lang kasi talaga na nasa likod ng camera and take a videos, take a photos. Pero I think this is also for me to grow as a person na hindi mahiya ipakita yung mga experiences ko in life and yung mga learnings ko. Hope that I can share and inspire life through my contents. Again, thank you so much again, guys, for the support. I love you all. Bye-bye.